Unity tips number 1. Did you know you can add a delay to destroying an object by simply adding one additional parameter? Here I'm going to put comma 1.5f to add a 1.5 second delay before it's destroyed. It's useful if you need a dying animation or a death sound. The tab key is your friend. Use it once to complete a word and twice to complete a code statement, for example loops and switch statements. When using a regular text mesh, which you probably shouldn't be, and you're having problems with blurry letters, simply reduce the character size to say 0.05 and increase the font size to say 250, and you'll have nice, crisp letters. When using a text mesh, you may or may not have had the problem of the words appearing behind the images when you go into the actual game. By default, Unity doesn't allow us to change that, but with a single line of code, we can fix that no problem. Simply open up a C# script, go into the C# script and add this line here. Remember, higher numbers means it will appear on top of everything else or closer to the screen. Go ahead and hit Ctrl and S to save this, go back into Unity, drag and drop this script onto whatever text mesh you need to. Go ahead and click play, and all your problems are fixed.